With the Papyrus file unzipped and moved to the desktop, we can close our downloads folder, double click on our unzipped Papyrus folder, and inside there is the exe we can execute. We click on that and wait until Papyrus, let's say the modeling tool, is started. When somewhere in the middle of the loading process, we are asked to select our working space. So this folder here we created, we navigate to this folder. So it is on a desktop, and there we select this, select the folder and launch the modeling tool Papyrus. Now when the tool is hopefully soon opened, we maximize the window, and before we do anything we have to install SysML. To do this we click here on help, go to the Eclipse marketplace, wait until some things here are checked, and then we search for SysML and press enter. When there, we install the SysML version 1.6. You can also install 1.4, but let's take the latest version 1.6 and install. And when installed, I will warn you, we have to restart Papyrus. Of course, we accept the terms, and I hope you read through them as I did, and finish. When done, you see here the installing process. This takes quite some time, a few seconds or minutes. And however, when this is installed, we are able to use SysML with Papyrus. Otherwise, when we do not install SysML, we only can use Papyrus for UML. And now we have to restart it. Click on restart and we will continue when the tool is opened again.